But so first you got to pull the reverse and all the, just everything off, all these bolts, the detents, the starter, the speed sensor. You got to make sure the training's fully drained and everything. I'm also going to go about just cleaning the transmission off. This was completely gunk covered, and all I did was go, wipe it, you know, wipe all the gunk. And I'm going to start doing this one next, start wiping it down. And this one is a lot looser gunk. This stuff's on there pretty good on this one, so I'm going to need a brush and scrub her down, but I'll get her done good. I popped the case off, got all the 12s out. I got the shift selector and everything, and the reverse selector out. Detents are all out. It's got the GSR Diff, as you can see. It's a 2-piece bearing. Everything out, you know. Pop the clip. Got everything good. So now I'm going to go ahead and pull these stacks out, and then I'm going to pull the diff out and press the bearings off. Awesome, and so that's the stacks out. There's the messy case we're gonna wipe up, clean up some. And there's the GSR Diff with the 2-piece bearings. Oh yeah. And so with the GSR Diff, sometimes there's shimming between the bearings, and you just gotta make sure when you do the other diff you get the shimming the same to where everything's right. Alright, so it was my first time taking a transmission fully apart. I pulled the top of the case off before, but it was my first time pulling it fully apart. So I got the ring gear off this diff. All these threads are reverse threads, so you hit them with the tighten first, and you just break all of them loose, and then you finger them the rest of the way out, all the way around, and then just pop that ring gear off. And so now that I have that, I'm going to go ahead and get the other diff and get that ring gear on and swap over the bearings and everything. It's going to be sick. So once you press these 2 bearings off, this one goes on the bottom of the diff, this one on the top, you got to get this speed sensor gear off. So the speed sensor can read the speed of the new diff. But so you got, this is the basic tool for it, and you just got to grip it lightly because it's real brittle material, and you got to kind of heat it up and massage it out of there, and it'll just kind of come off with ease, you know. You gotta finesse it, you know. You can't just boom hammer that thing off, otherwise it'll just break off in chunks, and you'll destroy the whole thing. You won't get what you want. Me and Sean got the speed sensor gear off, got it all cleaned up, ready to get pressed onto here. I gotta heat it up with the torch and then just get it going on. Not too long. About a minute. I remember you said you had it really blue. Yeah, you know, if I set it on there too, it's good to go. Half an hour? There you go, this is going to fall on like that. Oh, yeah, that's...
But if it doesn't fit, you can just make it get back up to PP. Good job, bro. Good job.
Look, I used the old Diff as my mount. Alright, and that's just how you drop the speed gear on there. Now don't touch that, it's hot.
Oh, come on, put your tongue on there, Shane.
I mean, it's not a fan, I'm not really attracted to it. Can't stick my finger in it quite as easy.
I mean, then we could call you Zebra Tongue.
Zebra tongue?
Yeah,
I got these little stripes down my tongue. No, they're more like tiger stripes, not
Tiger
zebra
stripes, sorry.
Come on.
Well, I know you want some racing stripes.
Yeah, they're just straight up racing stripes. Oh yeah. I'm stoked. I cleaned up this all real nice. There was just some little bits of gunk and stuff in here. Just probably hopped in from the axle seal, but got everything all cleaned up nice and good. Sean's gonna help me get this all reassembled, and then we're gonna be able to bust out this other one all by herself here. So I just got the caisson on, all these 12s in, and then I got this little clip here popped back down. So now I just need to put the detents and everything in, the balls on my magnet, just get all that in, and then get onto this next transmission here. How's it going, Pedro? What are you doing?
Making all these little corners round. That way they're not, everything's nice, and
yeah.
There was a bunch of pinholes, so I had to kind of use my finger to cover a bunch of corners and stuff, so that's what I'm doing.
Just cleaning up the little bits. Digging it. Alright, so Pedro's here. He's just been doing the final touch-ups because we're going to paint the whole car. I got it cleaned out. I'm going to just pull that seat. He got the last quarter done. Almost finished completely. It's going to be awesome. We got these are being taken off. Might even pull the dash and paint the cage. We'll see. Looking pretty sick though. Man, it's so rad what Pedro got done today. He's gonna come back tomorrow and he's gonna fix these seams all the way down on both sides. He's just gonna seam it up. But today he came and he just did all these pinholes, and he's got to still sand it, but he just filled all those pinholes. He did this side, he already sanded this side. All his pinholes are gone. Took care of all of them. So now he's gonna prime again. I gotta sand the bars. He's gonna paint the whole cage. It's gonna be really sick. I mean, even there, in there looks really good compared to how it did. And I am really excited. Pedro outdid himself. Carpet's out, dash is out. She's ready for a primer again. Got to run over the cage with 400. Just smoothing it out, get it all perfect. I'm excited. Hope you're all ready. It's gonna be sick. So sick. This is Goofy Belt. Peace out. That's it for today.